the most common ingredients in cooking is garlic, and without it, many dishes would be incomplete. Besides its characteristic flavor, garlic also has huge medicinal properties and is used ever since ancient times to treat many diseases. Besides improving immunity, avoiding colds and flu, reducing blood pressure, and improving heart health, garlic also has amazing powers for skin health. And what if I told you that garlic can also treat acne and other skin issues? Did you know that it is possible? Fighting acne, spots, and even premature aging are some of the benefits of using garlic on your skin, since it is a powerful antioxidant and anti-inflammatory. So, what about learning how to make a garlic mask to detox and rejuvenate your skin? Are you enjoying the video so far? Then give us your opinion to help us know how we are contributing to you and your health. Also, leave a thumbs up and share the video with your friends. This natural garlic mask can be used on all skin types. Write down the ingredients: 3 garlic cloves, 2 spoons white clay, 0.7 ounces, 3 tablespoons honey, 2.65 ounces. Directions: mash the garlic cloves until they become a paste. Then combine with the clay and honey. Now add just a little bit of rose water to moisten and mix everything until smooth. Apply a fine layer of the mask on your face, always at night, after removing your makeup. Spread well, but be careful when applying close to the eye area, since the volatile compounds of garlic might be irritating. If you want to, you can also apply the mask on your neck and cleavage area. Let it act for 15 to 20 minutes. And then rinse with cold water. After that, apply your moisturizer as usual. Use the mask 2 to 3 times a week to get good results. Using this garlic mask will reduce the excessive oiliness. At the same time, it will prevent dry skin. With continued use, you will notice your skin softer, cleaner, and hydrated. If you liked this recipe, try it and share your opinion with us. Make this easy garlic mask and take care of your face without spending money. And remember, if you are already following treatment with a dermatologist, you should consult with them about using this homemade mask to avoid any reactions or interferences that might hurt your skin. Besides that, if you use garlic daily, you know that it is hard to get rid of it. So if you accidentally touch the garlic during the process, place the area under running water for a few minutes without rubbing it. If you notice any redness, stinging, or burning, immediately seek a dermatologist to get adequate care. If you liked the video, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. For more recipes and tips, subscribe to the channel.